Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. Now I've decided I'm gonna learn to do my own nails. I'm super excited about this, and I just ordered one of those little LED lamps. We're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. All right, the outside of the box is quite interesting. It says sunshine, non-blacken, UV LED. I don't know what that means. Comfortable eye contact, relieve burning sensation. Maybe something's lost in translation here. I'm not sure. Anti-glare, hand sensor, and high power LED. Let's open this box up and have a look. So this is the professional gel polish LED nail dryer lamp. I bought this specific one because my friend who's going to teach me to do my nails actually has this one and she really loves it. So here's the instruction sheet, the packing list, and that's it for instructions. So this can't be too complicated. All right, let's take it out of the package here. We've got a charging cord or a plug-in cord. Actually, this is not a chargeable one. This actually needs to be plugged in. All right, it's not super heavy, but it's not super lightweight either. And when we flip it up, we can see all those LED lights in there. Yep, there's lots of them. Oh, it comes apart. I'm not sure why you would want it to come apart. Let me know in the description below if you know why this should come apart, but anyways, we'll pop it back together and we're gonna plug it in and check out what it looks like. So this one says low heat. I don't know what any of these buttons mean. I'm hoping that I'm gonna learn as I go along here. Let's push some of those buttons and see. Oh, it's right color. Okay, so we've got 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99 seconds low heat. So it counts down. And it's counting down the other way. So the numbers are facing the person in the salon, and this is facing the person getting their nails done. See how it went on when my hand went in there? And it starts counting down right away. That's great. That's actually a really nice unit. The nail lamp has 45 little LED lights and it's 150 watts. So it says it only takes 10 seconds to dry or cure your nails, and we'll see about that, I guess. That seems crazy fast to me. They say they provide a 1-year unconditional warranty. So that's really good as well. I'm excited to give this a try. So this is called the Sun X5 Max. It's a super sun UV LED, all in one word, nail lamp by GreenLife. I bought a few more things for my DIY at-home nail adventure. Let me show you. I also bought the Melody Sue nail drill. I'm super excited about this. This is the one they use at my salon. I don't know how to use it, but I'm going to learn. I also bought this beautiful nail kit. It's German made, very nice. I also bought the gel nail polish, the base coat and top coat, and builder nail gel from Model Ones. These are the Model Ones colors that I bought. I can't wait to try them. Let me know if you've ever used this brand. Thanks for watching my unboxing of the GreenLife nail lamp. Do me a sweet favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell, especially if you want to see how my nails turn out. I'm a little worried about doing my right hand, to tell you the truth. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Life, and here's a video I think you might like to watch next. I'll see you again soon.